Today is April 28th, 2024, and today we're heading out to Cedar Point to experience the all-new... Actually, no. T3, as my wife would say. Yeah, that ride. No, wait.
Top Thrill 2.
I just want to say thanks for tuning in and watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be making a lot more videos coming up this upcoming year, mostly at Cedar Point since it's my home park, but overall I think this is a great addition to the park.
Stay hydrated, wear deodorant,